Hi, Professor. My name is Ping Shu, and this is a demo of my final project, the NBA Newsroom Systems. This platform is designed for NBA fans to share insights, discuss games, and interact in a moderated, real-time environment. Firstly, let's begin with the user flow through the application. There are two main types of roles on our platform, regular users and admins. Regular users can register, log in, and create posts and the comments. However, their content will be marked as pending until reviewed by an admin. Admins have access to a moderation dashboard where they can approve or reject the posts and comments. Once approved, the content becomes publicly visible. However, logged out visitors can only read approved posts. They can't contribute or comment. This flow ensures a safe, well-managed environment while encouraging engagement from the NBA fan community. Secondly, let me talk about the key features in action and walk you through a typical usage scenario. First, as a logout visitor, they will notice that only approved posts are visible. They can't create content or comment unless they log in. Now I'll log in as a regular user. Once logged in, I can view not only public posts, but also my own posts, include those marked as pending or reject. I can create a new post. For example, a discussion about a recent trade rumor. If any of my posts are not yet approved or have been rejected, I can still edit them and resubmit for approval. Okay, the title is changed. I can comment on others' posts. Here is my comment. Next, let's open a new window and log in as an admin. Here I have access to an admin dashboard showing all users along with their registration info. All posts and all comments across all status. I can approve or reject any content directly from the interface. Okay, let me see, this status is changed. You will also see status indicate, such as pending, approved, or rejected to track moderation progress. This ensures transparency and better communication with the users. Next, let's look at the technical highlights behind my project. On the front end, the application is built with React. Style uses Taiwan CSS and enhanced with reusable components from Shine CNUI. The backend combines TypeScript and Express.js to handle authentication, routing, and business logic. User authentication is implemented use JWT tokens, enabling secure login and rule-based access control. So admins and regular users each have different permission. For data management, the system uses the Circlite database with Plasma ORM to handle schema modeling and database queries. Finally, to ensure code quality and system stability, I have implemented Automan testing using Jest along with support test for end-to-end API testing. Currently, the entire project is fully deployed and running locally on my development environment. In the future, I plan to deploy both the front end and the back end to AWS, which will enable public access. In conclusion, the NBA News Forum system provides a clean and secure space for fans to discuss their favorite sports with rule-based control. It delivers both functionality and a great user experience. Thank you for watching.